Welcome to 66 Carlsons.
We're glad that you're joining us. This is our very first video. We're very excited, and we'll see you on the other side of the intro. Thank you again for joining us. This is our very first YouTube video on our very first YouTube channel. And again, if you would subscribe and share this with your friends and family, that would be super cool. We have a very large extended family, so this is kind of preserving some of our recipes and things for family as well. So we hope that all of our family enjoys it, as well as our YouTube family and friends. So what you can expect from our channel will be gardening and cooking. Again, we'll be sharing a lot of our favorite recipes and family recipes. We have been water bath canning pomegranate jelly from our pomegranate tree for probably about 15 years now. And then this year we started watching YouTube during the pandemic, and we got into preserving food in a longer term fashion with pressure canning. So it's been really exciting, and we do all these things together, and we're hoping that we can encourage you to kind of step out and try new things as well. JJ, do you want to talk about our garden and kind of what people can expect to see from that?
So our garden, it's by no means a farm or anything. We're in the suburbs, well, kind of suburban area, and we're on a 1/4 acre, like I said. And so we have a few beds right now, but we're looking at expanding that and growing more of our own food. Typically, we grow an awful lot of tomatoes and peppers and stuff like that. Right now, I have about 130 onions or so in the ground, and we have cabbage and peas, and we have flowers, and of course the pomegranate, and all of that kind of stuff.
We have a pink lady apple. We'll be going and pruning the apple tree in the next couple of weeks, and we'll upload a video to show you how we do that every year. And we also have a wonderful pomegranate. It is wonderful, but it is a wonderful. And so it's just like the juice that you can buy. But we got the start from a neighbor of my mother's, oh gosh, 20 years ago. And it lived in a bucket for a couple of years. We stuck it in the ground, and we make really good jelly from it every single year. We really enjoy that. Last year in the spring, JJ built some raised beds, and he made, how many did we plant? 16 asparagus crowns?
Yes.
16 asparagus crowns. So last year, because if you don't know anything about asparagus, you can't eat anything the first year that you grow it. You just let it get tall. We'll share pictures with you in future videos. You just let it get tall. It looks like a grass. And then you have to let it die back in the winter, and then you cut it down. And we just did that a few weeks ago. So the spears ought to be coming up in the next, maybe month to 3 months.
Yeah.
This year we can harvest each spear one time. And we'll share more with you about asparagus, because we were really surprised with what we got. We also have some artichokes. And for the gardeners out there, we live in zone 9B, and you're going to enjoy our anniversary clock in a minute. It's going to chime 6 times. We live in zone 9B, so we have really hot summers, long summers, to the point where we actually have to put shade cloth over our tomato beds and the peppers and everything so that they don't get sunburned. And I'm losing my thought. Go ahead and take over. Do you have something to say about the garden? Shell shocked.
Yeah, so everything is centered around the house, and our garden and backyard. You never know, we may get into pool filter maintenance or grilling out with the grill, because I have all of that stuff to be able to grill and smoke and have a griddle and maybe make pizza one time or something.
Oh yeah.
And maybe go fly fishing or camping, or you never know where we'll end up. But primarily, we'll be definitely doing the gardening and canning and cooking type videos and
urban homesteading type stuff.
Absolutely.
Yeah. I guess we should let you know before you hear them bark in the background, because it's bound to happen at some point. We have 2 adorable little poochies that live with us, both rescues, and they're about 5 years old, Daisy, Belle, and Leo. So if you hear them barking or yapping, it's because there's a squirrel climbing on the fence.
That's right.
So again, if you like this or you're interested in seeing our future videos, we are going to try and put them out regularly, at least one a week for the time being, until we get a little more acclimated to this. And we will, if you would please like and subscribe to our channel, we would appreciate it. Share it, especially if you're one of our family members. Share it with other family members so that you can always look at one of the recipes that we have. We will be starting an Instagram account so that we can upload the recipes that we prepare, and we will let you know as that takes place. And I think that's all I have tonight. JJ, do you have anything else?
Nothing for me. See you later, everyone.
Thanks again for